In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your arms skinnier in Facetune. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Facetune application, and once you're logged into your account, you can simply tap on the galleries icon at the top left corner to upload your photo. Now from your galleries, simply select your desired photo and you will be taken to the edit menu. Now from the edit menu, you can find various edit features at the bottom. Just scroll towards the right and you can find the reshape option. Simply tap on this and now you will find 3 different options. You can use the reshape feature to drag in your arms, but it will also move the entire photo around. So the best alternative would be to use the resize feature. Simply tap on resize and now use the target to select your arms. You can then use the slider to drag them inward or outward, depending on whether you want to make your arms look bigger or smaller. Just move the target over to various areas and you can simply drag them inside. And there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.